Hello there, I am Dr. Peter Oster. I am the chair of the Professional Education Committee of the AACD, and we are so excited about our 2022 annual meeting. And one of the great speakers is the fantastic Joyce Bassett
from Scottsdale, Arizona.
So Joyce, tell me first of all, tell me about your lectures this year.
They're all hands-on programs. I have one full day on how to prep teeth. And it's going to be a very difficult space management case. Optimally, you would have liked to have done ortho on it, but it really helps you learn where do you take off tooth structure and where do you not take off tooth structure. Because we will be using indexes, facial incisals, and a provisional matrix to cut through in order to know exactly how to prep these teeth. And it's 8 teeth in this space management case. It's a very complex situation, but once you can master this, you can master anything. And then I'm also going to be speaking on another day hands-on program on pink composite. And so the model is really cool because it has terrible gingivals that there's total recession, and now we are going to augment that area with pink composite and closed black triangles with beautiful enamel composites. So I can't wait to see everybody at the AACD, and these hands-on experiences are second to none. So see you in April.
We're not done yet. Now, why are you excited to go to this year's annual meeting?
Because I haven't seen my friends in 2 years, and I love everybody, and the camaraderie and the support is amazing. We have so much fun. It's really probably more fun than anything you could possibly imagine. It's amazing at night.
What makes the AACD different?
All the dentists that come to the AACD want to be better. They all think there's always room for improvement, and the camaraderie, and there's like no egos, so everybody helps each other, and the conversations in the bars and at the events. To me, sometimes I learn just as much there as I learn anywhere else. So it's an incredible group of people.
If you've never been to a Joyce Bassett course, be there. If you've never been to an AACD meeting, you've missed out on the most important, best conference in dentistry. See you in April.